What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today, we're going to be going over 5 different types of auto detailing chemicals you should be using on the interior of your ride to clean it, shine it, and protect it. Anyways, guys, let's get right into this video. Now, these 5 auto detailing chemicals were my favorite to be using on any type of interior. These 5 auto detailing chemicals not only is it going to bring back the shine, reflection, and protection to the interior, but it's actually going to restore the finish to your interior. Anyways, guys, let's get right into number 1, which is going to be our fan favorite Total Interior. Now, Total Interior is a cleaner and protectant all-in-one. Now, this can be virtually be used all over the interior ride, such as if you do have a coffee spill or you have kids in the backseat, they have milk or they have Cheerios, who knows what they might have, and they spill it all over your interior, you can just simply wipe it up using Total Interior. Now, Total Interior is fairly simple and easy to use. All you need to get is a microfiber towel. Now, as you guys can see, I actually have 3 different types of microfiber towels, different color microfiber towels, such as the yellow one, the blue one, and the brown one. Now, the reason why I have different color microfiber towels is because I want to avoid cross-contamination. For example, you at home or us here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage, for example, we do have Alex, which is our social media specialist. He'd be walking in and out, and he needs different types of towels. Now, whenever he's shooting content for us, I personally tell him, hey, Alex, the yellow towels are for interior, the blue towels are for glass, the brown towels are for your leather surfaces. Now, we always like to color coordinate, and we like to encourage you guys to color coordinate at home so that you avoid cross-contamination, especially whenever you're dealing with glass. You do not want to have wax on your glass with a glass cleaner, because at the end of the day, all you'll be doing is getting streaky glass all over the place. So that's number 1. We recommend using Total Interior to wipe down all types of surfaces, to wipe them down clean using a yellow microfiber towel. Now, these towels are a workhorse microfiber towel. We do offer many different types of microfiber towels here at the Chemical Guys line, but we're just simplifying it using the same exact towel, just in different color, the workhorse microfiber towel. Number 2, once you already finished cleaning up your whole entire interior using Total Interior, next up is going to be protecting your vinyl, rubber, and plastic pieces on the interior ride. Now, VRP is a water-based dressing that needs to be applied with a soft microfiber applicator on the interior ride. So after your surface is clean, follow it up with VRP. Now, VRP is going to enhance shine and protection. Like this Mazda behind me, it's not in the best condition. As you guys can see, the exterior is dirty, but today we're talking about the interior. So if your car does sit outside and you actually do not want to be causing UV rays to crack your dashboards, you can actually enhance more protection by using VRP. It's a water-based dressing. You can use it on the both interior and exterior surfaces of the ride, and like that, you maintain a high shine and protection to your interior. Now, with these 5 products, not only am I going to transform the interior of this Mazda, but I'm actually going to bring it back to factory look. Next up is going to be spills, number 3, on carpet or fabric surfaces. Carpet or fabric surfaces is a big topic. Everybody always has their coffee in the morning and they're driving to work. Next thing you know, you hit a bump and there's coffee everywhere. What do? First thing we always recommend you do is just simply get a microfiber towel, damp up the surface to remove any suspended liquids away from the carpet. But what else happens to your coffee spill? It's going to embed itself into the fabric surfaces. Now you have a sticky fabric or a sticky carpet and you don't know how to clean up. Now, if it is on vinyl, plastic, or like on your navigation screen, just wipe it down with this, which is total interior. But if it does get on your carpet or fabric seats, we need a specific cleaner, which is going to be lightning fast. Now, lightning fast can also be used with a brush or simply a microfiber towel. If you do need to use a microfiber towel, fold it like this, spray some onto the surface, and rub out the surface clean. Now, this is not only going to revive the fabric, but it's also going to open up the fibers of your carpet, because what ends up happening is whenever your coffee or liquids land on fabric or carpet, it actually clogs all the fabric and it turns them sticky. So this is actually going to exfoliate it and let your fabric breathe again, so like that you have the nice carpet feel. So simply spray it, scrub it, or wipe it away, and just like that, you remove any spills or stains away from carpet surfaces. Next up, no one likes to have streaky glass. I don't know how this owner of this Mazda drives, but you could use our streak-free glass cleaner on the interior and exterior of your car. Now, we do offer many different types of towels, but in this occasion, you could actually use a workhorse microfiber towel to clean up your streaky glass. Now, this is going to enhance clarity and depth to your glass. You could also use on your tinted windows, aftermarket tinted windows, OEM factory tinted windows. This is not going to turn them brown nor purple. It's simply just going to spray it clean once again. So how to use this product is fairly simple. You get one towel, then you get a secondary towel. So we're going to be doing a 2-towel method. You'll be spraying the glass directly onto the surface with a streak-free glass cleaner. Give it 1 to 2 sprays. After you spray it on, wipe it clean with one towel. And then what I like to do, I like to follow it up with a secondary towel, just so I can remember for myself to remove all suspended product. And like this, I achieve a streak-free glass. Now, a pro tip for anybody that also wants to use on the exterior: if you are dealing with streaky glass on interior and exterior, what I like to recommend for you is spray the glass on the interior, wipe side to side on the interior, and on the outside, spray the glass, same thing, but go up and down. So like this, if you do see a streaky glass or you do see streaks on your glass, you know where it's coming from, whether it's up and down on the exterior or side to side on the interior. So that's how you can clean up your glass using streak-free. Now, I know there's a lot of leather lovers out there and you guys have leather surfaces. How do you maintain it clean on the go? Simply use Leather Quick Detailer. Now, Leather Quick Detailer has vitamin E and aloe, and it's a quick detail spray to have on hand to enhance 1, vitamin E to your leather surfaces, 2, restore the finish to your surface, and 3, you need to think about this. Leather at one point was skin, and same thing as your skin on your hands. Every single day, I'm pretty sure you wake up, you put some lotion on yourself so you'll keep it moist. This is what the same thing is going to do to your leather surfaces. It's going to keep it soft, moist, and whenever you keep it soft and moist, you prevent it from cracking, fading, discoloring, or all that. And this surface, this cleaner can actually be used on many different types of leather, such as vegan leather, Tesla owners, such as factory synthetic leather, faux leather, the list goes on. So simply spray directly onto a towel. And as for this product, I'm actually going to be using a brown towel. The reason why is because brown here at Chemical Guys, we actually like to color coordinate for our leather surfaces. So like this, I avoid cross-contamination. I allow my vitamin E to actually penetrate the leather surfaces. And just using these 5 simple products, not only are we transforming the interior of this ride, but we're bringing it back to factory finish. And if you are a detailer out there and you want to make more money, this is a great interior package to offer for your customers or even for yourselves. You don't know where to start? These 5 products are must-have products in your Chemical Guys arsenal to transform any type of interior. Before I forget, all of our cool packaging actually has different color coordination. So if you do forget, you can simply look at all the color coordinations in the back. For example, it says green exterior, blue window towels, yellow interior, brown leather, black rubber and tire, and gray metal. All right, guys, so we're cleaning the Mazda. The Mazda's coming out amazingly. I kind of underestimated the dog hair, so we just got the shop vac. We went ahead and vacuumed everything out. Now, the whole entire interior now looks brand new and it's protected. One thing that is really bugging me personally is the exterior. So a quick bonus clip, 30 seconds, 15 seconds. I don't know how long he's gonna edit behind this, but we're gonna wash this car real quick and then we'll show you guys the whole entire transformation from outside to inside. Anyways, guys, let's get right into the wash. Anyways, guys, I hope this video clarified a lot of our questions. Where do I start? I see so many types of products for my interior. These are top 5 must-have products in your Chemical Guys arsenal to transform any type of interior. If you guys do want to pick up any of these products today, you guys already know where to go. chemicalguys.com, or drive down to your local detail garage. We do have over 100 detail garage locations across the globe, including Canada. Anyways, guys, we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.